I'm out here at Terra Casa. I'm with Diana. Diana, we're all moving outside. We're getting in our yards, and we're decorating our yards. And you have some really fun things to create atmosphere.
Yes, and fun.
And
we like to have fun with some of the things
Absolutely.
in the store. So we have a variety of outdoor gardening things, a lot of statuary, both ceramic and metal. And then we have a lot of gnomes this year, which are always very fun
hot.
out in the
Yes.
garden. A lot of solar lanterns, which are fun out on the patio. And there's some themes like the hot air balloons and the little succulent baskets. These light up in a circle down here. There's all kinds of really fun things you can add whimsy or elegance to your outdoor living space.
Right, because we're out there, we're entertaining, we want to be in part of our garden, but we also want to have that fun.
Exactly.
And by adding these little things to our garden, it's like, brightens us and cheers us up. It doesn't just have to be a flower.
It shouldn't be boring. It shouldn't be boring. You could add a little water fountain outside on your patio, and this is fun because they're easy to move around, they're easy to take care of, easy to clean. They add that sound, but they're also kind of whimsical too. Yeah,
because we like movement in the garden, and you'll have things, the chimes and things like that are adding the ambiance and the sound.
Yes.
And I notice you have a number of different little yard signs.
We do. We have porch boards, and the porch boards come in a couple of different sizes. There's a shorter size, and then there's a full-length tall size that you can put in your front door. Again, a lot of fun themes, very gardeny themes, fun ones with bees, and just a regular home sweet home, so that when you come home or your guests are coming over, they have something nice to see at the front door. Right.
And I did see, as the birds are coming out and returning to the garden, you have some really cute bird houses.
We have bird houses, bird feeders. Yeah, there's really cute porch swings. We've got a little birdie burrito taco truck, a little Adirondack chair that's a bird feeder, all kinds of fun things.
Right, and then behind you too, you even have what's called the flowers. And the solar flowers.
There's solar stakes, and then there's also the rain gauges that attach to them as well. So because the rain is still happening, as we're seeing.
Right, you never know what we're going to get this time of year for weather as we're going out. And with so much great stuff in your shop, and it's find anything for your garden inside or out. But we like to kind of bring the inside and kind of marry those two up, right?
We do, and also we like taking the inside outside with metal art on the side of your house, so that you're also decorating that part of your house that you're also living in outside. And we have a lot of beautiful new metal art pieces this year.
And not only with all the decor, the pottery that you carry. It's like I drove by the other day, and there was pallets and pallets and pallets of
that's
all
starting to
supplies.
roll in. It's been a little late this year. Everything's still running a little bit late, but yes, we have 2 containers here now, and then a couple more that are coming in just in the next couple of weeks. So we're going to get full all at once.
And it's not just having the pottery and the containers and the decoration. You even can take care of the larger spaces with furniture.
Right, and we have a great selection of the CR plastic outdoor furniture this year. We just got in a new load of that as well, and I'd say come get it while you can, because their lead times are many, many months out. But there's a lot to choose from in that, as well as some decorative benches. We have stone furniture as well, in the stone benches, metal benches, concrete benches. We have a lot of fun different things you can use outside.
Yeah, you have such a wide range here, so if you're looking to get into your garden, bring your inside, outside, decorate up your patio, get ready for spring and the entertaining. Make sure you come see Diana and her staff out here at Terra Casa and get inspired for something great this spring.
Thanks Ryan.
Diana.